up, nail friends? I have a lot of cool stuff in today that I want to show you guys. So the first thing is from Clear Jelly Stamper. So I was running out of white and I needed some new stampers because mine got really dirty and to the point where I don't want to show them on my camera, so I had to get some new ones. So that's what I got here. So first I got the small double bling stamper, I guess it's called. I'm not actually sure what this one's called, but it's the stamper with the two double-ended side stamper. Yeah. The reason I got this one was because my friend Talia from Talia's Nail Tales has been talking about it. So I thought, you know what, if she likes it, it must be good. I'm gonna give it a try. So the reason that you want something like this is it has a small head here. And that way you can pick up images and do like super small images, which is basically what I wanted this one for. And look how cute, it's so cute. And then you can just keep it on your stamper so it's together like that. And then you have the bigger side too, but still not as big as the big bling for, you know, precision stamping, nice and clean. And of course it has the crystals and glitter in the inside there. And then it comes with a new scraper, which is great because mine is covered in polish, so I need a new one as well. So there's that. And then I also got in another one of the big bling stampers, which is great. Like I said, mine is destroyed. So I wanted a nice new fresh one for filming. So again, this one also comes with the scraper, which is great. I really like these scrapers. And then this one is pink because why not? They had clear or pink, so I chose pink. And then this one also has the little crystals in it as well. And it comes with like an extra jelly stampy thing for here. So look how big this one is compared. So I also got these because I wanted to use them with, this is like basically all I wanted. I really wanted this plaid stamping plate. Have you guys seen this one yet? Oh my god, I'm so excited. It looks so plain on this side, but then when you turn it over, they give you ideas on the back. That's like how all the Clear Jelly Stamper stuff comes now. So yeah, I definitely want to try some of this plaid. So that's why my nails are bare, so we can do that. But there's one more thing, two things in here that I want to show you guys first. So I was out of plain white stamping polish, or like really close to almost empty. So I got in a brand new one. So this is just the plain white. I think this one's called, it's number 2, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, number 2. Oops. This one is number 2, just plain white. I also got in the Clear Jelly Stamper stamping, like, they're kind of like little pads, so you can clean off your big stamper with this instead of using like a lint roller. Okay, so that's that. That's what I got from Clear Jelly Stamper. Okay, so right away I want to show you guys something with this. I want to do my nails, show you guys how to use the stamping plate on your nails and some tips and tricks. So I'm going to grab some paper towel here just so I don't make a mess on my desk. And then these stampers, they come with a little blue film on them. So you're going to want to take that off before you start. Okay, but before we get started, I'm going to have to polish my nails. So I'm thinking I'm going to do all this like pretty red color from Glitterbels called Crazy Cat Lady. And I'm going to do this on all my nails. And then I think I'm only going to do the plaid on these 2 nails. And then do the matte. And it'll be really pretty. So I'm not going to show you guys the application of that. I'm just going to go ding. Yeah, so that was just 2 coats of that. Really pretty color. I have a photo on my phone. I'll show you guys. It's just a phone case, but basically I'm using that as my inspiration. Obviously the red I picked was a lot darker just because I wanted to. And I'm gonna use Clear Jelly Stamper, dark gray here, this like holographic black and a gold. So I'll make sure to link everything I used in my description box because these ones don't have the number on them. Oh, they have them on the top, sorry. 042, Hollow 06, and 051. So before we start, I'm just gonna cleanse off the tacky layer, and then let's grab our giant thing here. I'm just gonna try to copy my idea. So it's got some like thicker gray. So let's do some thick gray lines. So we're gonna use our new big bling. We're gonna start with the dark gray. I'm just gonna wing it. If it doesn't work out, we can just take it off, right? So let's go with these ones right here. I think this is gonna be hard, but I'm gonna give it a go anyway. I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, that worked. And then up and down. That wasn't perfectly straight. Not that it has to be, but okay, I'm gonna wipe that off. So I remember Talia saying that instead of like rolling this on, you're just going to want to like place it on. So I'm just gonna try that. So maybe it won't be so crooked. Okay, that looks straight. So then just put it straight on. Okay, that's better. So basically when you're doing this, you kind of just have to like look through your stamper and place it. Don't roll it. So thanks to Leah for the tip. Then it looks like going this way, you're gonna wanna use one of these ones. So I'm gonna do one that's thinner. So maybe like these ones here. And I'm using this like glittery black polish because why not? Perfect. So again, I'm gonna look through. I already love this stamping plate. Even just doing that, so cool. And then we're gonna wanna use these tiny ones to do the gold. So the gold I'm gonna wanna do this way and this way, just for fun. Why not? Actually, now that I see how little gold I have left, let's use like the rose color. We're gonna use this like rosy pink one. So we're gonna wanna go this way. Shit, I already put a crack in it, damn. See, this is why I need to buy new things so much, is because I already accidentally stabbed my nail through it. Why am I so bad? So now I have to avoid that spot. Okay, like I said, I'm putting it on right there. I'm scraping it downward to go into the lines, and then I'm turning it and picking up my stamp sideways like this. There we go. Now that's better. Damn, it's like slightly not perfect right there. It's gonna be so annoying. But I am gonna cross the line, so maybe it'll look better anyway. Let's go with the jaggedy lines for the other one. I should have done those ones anyway, but whatever. And then we're gonna go this way. Oh, this is so fun. There's so many ways and so many things you can do with this stamping plate. Cute. Okay, so here's both the nails done. I'm gonna do a top coat. So I'm gonna use my Luminary and Power Matte top coat. And then I'm just gonna take my nail from my other hand, kind of separate the stamping, and then we'll clean up after we cure. Okay, and that's what they look like fully matte. Oh, I love it. Oh, be prepared, you guys, to see a lot of plaid designs coming up. Follow my Instagram to see anything that I post, because I do post some photos and stuff. Some stuff I might not post on YouTube all the time, so follow me to see that. So what I'm doing here is I just have some acetone, a Q-tip, and I'm just cleaning up around with that. Another thing you can do is put liquid latex or something around to protect your skin from the polish, because it is kind of annoying taking off polish and trying to get it all off perfectly. So I just washed my hand quickly to show you guys how they look. Okay, so this hand has a glove on it because I bit my nails again really, really bad. So if anyone's here wondering about how my bitten nail transformation went, it was going well, and then until it wasn't, and I bit my nails really bad again. So they're back down to square one. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is glitter from Sarah at Magpie Beauty USA. So I have a bunch of glitter from her. She sent this to me. So I will open it up and show you guys because I'm really excited. So let's start with this one. And it is glitter. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. You're gonna die. Look at this. So this is called, doesn't have a name on it, Magpie Beauty. I don't even know what these are called, but they're like little leaves that are like the prettiest chameleon glitter color I've ever seen. So I'm gonna have to do a video with these really fast here because those are so cute and they're so super great for fall. They don't have a name on them, like, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna be easy to find on the site. So I will link down below Magpie Beauty's site so you guys can find these. Then we have dots. So we have, I love dots. You guys probably know that. Love me some dots. Okay, so we got 3 different dots here. This one looks like it has like pink, more like a pink with a metallic finish on it. This one is a really beautiful blue with some purple in it. And then this one is similar to the leaves with that like multi-shifting chameleon color. Oh my god, these are so cool. So those are what those look like. So the cool thing about these are that they're loose glitter. So if you're a gel tech, you can use these. If you're an acrylic tech, you can use these. If you do dip, polygel, anything, you can use these because they're not mixed with something. Okay, so those are what those look like. And then this one is called Venus and Lexi. So these are just like, kind of like unicorn flakes, but they have silver in them as well. So those will be super beautiful. Just gonna smear some in the palm of my hand so you guys can see. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Okay, next one. Okay. So, let's start with this one. Wow, that's really pretty. This one's called Nikki. That is stunning. I don't know if you guys can see quite in my lights how beautiful these are, but this one's kind of like a purpley pink with like silver chunky glitter in it. I love, love, love. Oh, so pretty. Wow, that's really pretty. So there's that one that's kind of like on the purple side, and that one was called Nikki. And then there's one that's similar. So these will all like, they kind of go together with the dots, because like this one would go well with these dots. And this one is called Latoya. So again, with the chameleon kind of like color shift. Holy crap, that's pretty. Can you guys see the color shift? It's like teal and pink. So that one is really nice. That one was Latoya, don't forget. And then this one's called Courtney. So this one would go really well with these glitter dots. This one's kind of like more of the pinks. Wow, these are so pretty. Pink with some like, I don't know, gold color shift. You guys should see my floor. There's glitter everywhere. Okay, so those were the loose chunky glitters there. Then we have some more like finer glitters. This one's called Paris, Kim, and then I really like this one. This will be great for Halloween. This one's called Janet. It's not quite black. This one's like, I don't know, like dark purple. Very, very Halloween-y in like the most elegant Halloween way. So as you can see, these will all go together really nicely. They all are kind of like in the same color family, so they'll look really nice together. So if you guys want to see me do a set with any of these, let me know and I will. But there's one more here. Instantly went for this one. So pretty. This one's called Joan. Oh my god, I love, 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 love so much. It's like emerald green and blue, color shifting glitter. I love emerald green. And there's one called Jackie that goes really nice with it. This one's more of like a fine glitter. And then another 2 that would go really well together named Kylie and Danny. Wow, those are so pretty. I have to pour some of this one out so you guys can see it. Wow, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And then the last glitter mix here called Beatrice. This would also be great for, well, there's another one too called Eugenie. These would also be great for Halloween because it's kind of like purple and green. Purple and green are such a great Halloween like combination. So pretty. These are all really beautiful glitters. So yeah, I will link these down below. Which one is your guys' favorite out of all of the Magpie glitters? Like, I don't even know if I could pick. They're all so nice, but I really like these dots, I think. And this glitter. That one was called Joan. And this one. Called Latoya. I like them all. They're all really nice. So that was those glitters. I have one last interesting thing to show you guys. Okay, so the next thing is new to Luminary Nail Systems, which is then new to my store, The Nail Throne. And these are lids for the luminaries. So Luminary Nail Systems, like this is color Drive and then Serenity. So they used to have stickers on the top and now they're no longer gonna come with stickers on the top. And now instead what you can get are these. So they come in packs of 1, 5, or 10. So I will show you how to use them. So they're new lids, so you can actually see in your like drawers and stuff what the color is. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your little, there's a little end piece here that is clear and open. It says Luminary Nail Systems on it, which is really cute. So you're gonna take your 30 milliliter bottle of your refill bottle and a cap, and you're gonna stick your cap on your bottle. And then you're just going to fill your teeny tiny little lid with some of the color that you're gonna go in with. Just like that. So you're gonna wanna stick this in the light and cure it. Then after you've cured the one side, you're going to flip it and cure the other side. So then you're going to take your regular lid out. Now you've got your new color cap. So take the end piece, stick it in, stick the lid on, and pop in your color cap. And you're gonna stick in your color cap, which now I've screwed up twice, but my mistake will show you guys and save you guys some time and money. So my mistake is that I overfilled my color cap twice now. So when you're filling your color cap, you're not gonna wanna fill it at all past here. Do you see? Because this needs to fit in here. So I've already done that twice now where, see, I can't put that all the way in, but I'm close. So you don't wanna make that mistake on all 12 of these. So let's try that one more time. Okay, so you're only gonna wanna fill it to the first line. So like way less than you think you want to. I think that's better this time. So yeah, make sure you're doing it less. Less is more. Less is always more. So that should be better. So now you can stick that into the top. Perfect. So you want it to have a perfect fit like that. Whereas you can see this one is no chance that that's getting in there. So that looks great. Ah, these are so cool. I think that's such a great idea. So now you can see your color at the top through the lid. It says Luminary. That looks really, really pretty. And I'm gonna do these to all of mine. So I'm really excited to do that. So you guys can pick these up if you're in Canada from my site, nailthrone.com, or if you're in the USA, I will link all the USA distributors in my description box. So make sure you check my description box because I always link stuff down there. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, the demo, the products I got in. Tell me what your favorite thing was, and if you like these videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you click the subscribe button next to the bell in order to be notified when I post. You won't get an email, but it will show up in your subscription feed, and if you don't click that bell, it won't show up and you won't see my stuff. So make sure you do that because your support means a lot to me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!